Hi, I'm Tami Utley, and today I'm going to be doing a chocolate clay poinsettia cake. For today's cake, I'm going to be needing a rolling pin of some sort. You can use a pin or you can use these disposable dowels. I need a clay gun. I need scissors, small scissors, and some sort of foam pad. You don't have to use this special pad. You can use the kneeling pads or something that's soft. I'm going to need an 8-inch round circle. I'm going to be doing a 10-inch cake, and I'm going to be actually building my chocolate clay poinsettia on this circle. So this is 8 inches. I have a poinsettia cutter here. This is from Nicholas Lodge. I'm not using this entire cutter set. I'm only using the 3 smallest petals, these here. I actually have a stencil here with a C on it. This is optional if you don't want to do, obviously this is a very fancy C. You can actually just freehand pipe this. I'm just going to cheat and use a stencil. This is a poinsettia veiner, but any kind of a leaf veiner should work. You can even make your own veins. I'll show you that. This is a 6mm and a 4mm pearl mold. I got these from Country Kitchen. And this is a ribbon cutter, which I also got from Nicholas Lodge. We're going to be using some colors here. I have the Avocado Green, my favorite green, a red and a yellow. This is a lemon yellow, and this is super red from Maricolor. We're actually not going to be using red. We're actually going to be using pink, but pink tends to fade, so I'm going to use just a little bit of red to make pink, and I'll show you that. I have some dusting colors here, a lime green, a daffodil yellow, orchid pink, Cosmo pink. This is a luster dust, by the way, and I have a rainbow, and I'm going to be using Super Pearl. We're going to be making chocolate clay today, so I have the discs. This is the just white chocolate discs. These happen to be called appeals, but you can use Merkins or Guittard or any of the summer coating or candy coating or whatever they call this in your area. But these are peels I get from my local store. I'm going to be using some light corn syrup, and I'll need some wax paper. I'm also going to be showing you how to make your own molds today. So I will be using this putty. I got this at my local craft store at Michael's. You can see what it looks like. It is food safe, which is why I like to use it. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's a 2-part method. As you can see, I use this a lot. It comes with 2 full containers, but I've been using this quite a bit. So you can see I made my own molds here. We're going to be putting a cute little chocolate clay pine cone on this cake, and so I'm going to show you how to make that mold. They are very quick. I'm also going to be using some chocolate clay. So I have some clay made up already with the chocolate discs. You don't have to do that. You can just use chocolate food color, brown food color, to make the white brown for our pine cones. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started.